Feel good when you found love, not that fake love, I'm talking about some white doves. I got a shorty that's gonna ride for me, die for me, put her right hand on the Bible, still lie for me. I got something they be praying for, she know what it is. I never.
Good afternoon, beautiful people. So you may know, you may not know, but New York is like extremely snowy. It is a snowstorm, it is a blizzard. Corey decided for us to go out in it and play. So we shall make a cute snow day. Oh my goodness. So this is what is given right now in the New York City. I mean, this is nice. Like, look at the trees. But like, yeah, it's snowing. So we thought it would be cute, it would be fun, it would be exciting to do a cute little vlog in the snow, because I don't think we ever did that before. No, we've definitely never done that before. So this is gonna be the first time we just out playing, went to Wonderland and did out. I'm not really a fan of the snow, but I'm gonna do it. We are getting ready right now. Corey getting ready. I just finished getting ready. I'm about to eat. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm about to eat for lunch. And please don't come at these paper plates. Like, I know I say this a lot, but like, who doing the dishes? If y'all not doing the dishes, then don't come around paper plates, period. So I just don't like how this look. All right, never mind. This looks disgusting on camera. Yeah, never mind, we're not doing this. So we're looking for our gloves so we can have a snowball fight, but we can't find our gloves. They disappeared. Watch, we found them in the dead summer. That's always how that happens. And I don't know, maybe make some snow angels, maybe have a snowball fight, maybe make a snowman. I don't know. I haven't done any of that stuff since I was like a kid, honestly. So I'm excited. I'm excited. Anything that I get to do with my bae is exciting for me. I'll be excited for it. So we are gonna hit y'all back when we are about to walk out the door and enjoy the snow day. Hey, be like, so yeah, we outside with it. We outside. All my niggas outside. We outside. We outside. You already know.
It's so pretty outside. Like, heard you went to Wonderland.
My feet already cold.
Really?
Yup.
I can't feel anything. I want to roll down that little hill.
Do it. Because I'm not.
Oh, wow.
They got them in Central Park.
Let's build a snowman. I'll do it. You can watch.
No, I'm doing
it.
it.
Here, cry baby.
Hunters are trash. Don't buy them.
Don't.
PSA, your feet gonna be brick. My shit's all brick. Brick. Nah, I don't know why I'm doing that.
We could have just did this. Look at that. Yeah, shit's brick. And I just got these are North Face, but they have like not fluff inside, but like some carpet at the bottom.
So what should we do? Should we build a snowman, or should we just do snow angels and go home? Or should we slide down the snow mountain?
I wouldn't slide down it, but I need something to slide
down. Or should
down.
we, like, what should we do? What is it given?
It's given snowball fight. Don't you get started. I'm about to put the camera down. She's a cheater. Look at her. She was getting ready to start picking it up and busting me with snow. That's crazy. I'm your girl. Nah, we could dead roll down there. It's such an unfun time.
Definitely on the stairs. That makes no sense. We gotta make sure nobody come down there.
Yeah. On your mark. Okay. On your mark. Get set.
I don't think I can see you.
Oh, she's my leg.
Oh yeah, definitely.
On your mark. Get set.
No. No. Oh shit, no. Wait, give me time to run. Give me time to run.
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 Y'all, she's terrible at this game. I don't know how kids do this.
You won.
Who won?
That shit's landed.
Who won?
Your snowballs was connected. Oh shit. Oh fuck.
Ivy, I'm tired. How they do this? All right, it's time to build a snowman. We're gonna do it mad fast. I got us, babe.
Bring me some oxygen. Honey. Some oxygen. Look at my little curls. I need lip gloss. Yeah. Maybe I lost it though.
One snowball
Running
fight, you
around.
already done lost them.
Probably. Wait, let me see. Oh, no, I got it. Oh, I need to hit the gym. They just charged me that yearly fee too, on top of the monthly.
How's it all that in my snowman barely got a neck?
First of all, he needs 2 more layers.
How?
We supposed to build 2 more.
A sculptor.
Guys, how we doing so far? What is it giving? What is it giving? It's giving. He's a gnome. It's a gnome.
It's not giving.
It's a gnome.
I changed my mind. I'm gonna do something else. I'm gonna make Nicki Minaj in the snow. Alright.
What?
I'm making Nicki Minaj.
Let's play tic-tac-toe in the snow.
I'm making
Nicki
Nicki Minaj.
Minaj. What? I'm not seeing Schnicky. It's not giving Schnicky. It is not giving Schnicky vibes.
Okay, hold on. Erase. Wait. I got it.
Right.
Calm down. Okay.
Yeah, I wasn't feeling that.
Okay.
All right, so while she get her Picasso on,
I can do it.
Rico,
It's tough.
do it.
Mad funny to you.
That shit is hilarious to me. Do it.
Grab me that snow. Grab me that snow.
But ma'am, you're gonna get hypothermia on your.
Grab me that snow. Bring me that trash can.
Wait. Okay.
Yo, you get yellow.
You gotta say miss.
Miss.
Huh? Grab me that trash can.
You annoying. I'm so weak.
Huh? Grab me that trash can.
I don't know why she like this, y'all. Oh my God, that could have been the head to my snow bed. Look at him. Over here.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, what? This just don't look right. Like, why it look like this? It's probably
old,
something.
that's the new snow on top of the old snow.
But like, what's holding
So that's
it?
gonna be mad
Because why does it look
hard.
so hollow? What is that? They're like a hole. Let me move just in case that's some kind of like homeless man house that he didn't put together. I'm scared. You want to do snow angels?
Nah, my coat.
I thought the just snow angels evil.
So here's something that we just realized. The idea or the fantasy of playing in the snow
Sounds so fun.
versus the reality of playing in snow.
Two totally different things. I want to play in the snow, but how do you do it as an adult? I'm not laying down in this. I can't run and do a snowball fight. She don't even know how to snowball fight the right way.
I don't have the stamina.
She doesn't.
No, I was having mad fun just running away from you. And then I was just running away laughing and I was slipping and falling. Then I finally got the hang of it. And then I was beating your ass with them snowballs.
You did not beat me. You hit me with one.
You a lie. I hit you with like 3.
No, they did not make contact. They turned into fluff.
Oh, damn. All right, well, either way, yeah, the expectation
versus reality is so different that it should be 2 totally different things. It's just that different. It's like, honestly, we came to look at it. That's what we should have said, that we came to look.
we just wanted to be a part of, we wanted to be in it, within nature. Pretty. And
we should have put on cute outfits
and just take pictures.
It took pictures.
We should have definitely, like this right here with this.
That's hot.
Oh.
We should have on like our furs.
Oh
and
yeah.
our boots.
We should have took instead.
We got on sweats and snow boots. I mean,
we look fly
like
though.
People.
Look at this. Who doing it like us?
Everybody that's out here.
Nah, thanks.
He like it. Oh. Hi, little buddy. He love this. Like it. Yeah.
That makes one of us.
I'm dead.
You love this? You love running in snow? No, don't
say
get
something
me.
else I don't like.
Nah. You was gonna do it anyway. All right. Yo, this is wild.
You ain't even running no more. At this point, it's bullying.
Cause where am I going? Where the hell am I going?
Where?
She ain't playing fair. Y'all see this shit? I'm running to the house. I said I was running to the house, but you ain't run with me.
I beat her ass. See, she no fun. Oh, we should go swimming in the snow. I mean, we should go swinging in the snow.
Okay, let's do that.
Oh, look at him. They built a snowman. They doing it the right way. Oh my God, it went right on it.
Oh,
fix it.
All right, guys, we gotta go.
Bye. Get down. Turn into the dead bug challenge.
Don't do it, Mabel. She ain't worth it, Mabel. Don't do it, Mabel. She ain't worth it. Don't do it, Mabel. She ain't worth it. Skirt. Okay, Junebug.
And why everybody out here doing snowmen better than us?
I mean,
this is basura. Let's go. Let's revisit my snowman. Let me name him. His name Look. That's my man.
No.
You a hater.
Now let's go get there.
Earl, what's good? No. This is ours, baby.
But let's go get there.
This is ours, babe. That's Earl.
Let's go show theirs.
No, I don't want to show theirs.
Embody that.
I don't want to show theirs.
Come on.
Hold this. I'm about to give Earl some arms.
No. Earl is fucking washed. Earl is washed.
Easy on Earl. Easy on Earl.
You see this shit? It look like a big ass nipple.
Wait, I'm about to help him a little bit.
Ooh.
It's okay, Earl.
Oh, nah. I am scrying.
Relax.
Nah. No.
Relax.
His head fell off.
Relax.
Oh gosh, no. Ooh. Instead of being a supportive wife, I'm crying. I can't stop laughing. Y'all. Woo! That was a good laugh.
No, it wasn't.
Oh, his whole koofy came off.
I got you, Earl.
Sharing our love.
Put me back online with the people.
I did. All right, Earl. Earl on the beat. Oh, we chewed that.
Now it's we. Now it's a unit. Now you want it to be Melorey. Now Melorey back in full effect. Because Earl got ahead again. You ain't about Nathan.
I'm not claiming him.
You a motherfucker.
I'm not claiming him. Come on, Earl on the beat.
Motherfucking arms.
Hey, chewed it.
Stop playing with my sis.
Yeah, Earl.
Stop playing with my
Earlina.
sis.
Yeah.
Let me find my man some eyes.
Yeah.
Now it's now I choose.
You chewed. You been chewed. I'm crying. Yeah, Earlina. Body that. Now we gotta find this little with some eyes. We're going to scavenger hunt. I can't pick my toes.
Oh shit, I'm sorry. I don't think you're gonna add no eyes because there ain't no more nature stuff outside.
Well, we did what we could. We did what we could for him. He thriving. He gonna get him a girl. Oh, this is the finale. Oh, this is the grand finale. This is the finish him.
Earl ain't got no ears.
Maybe you could connect it to one of the branches? Oh no.
No, put it underneath his chin.
Oh, they not seeing him. He COVID friendly. He COVID
Okay,
safe.
Earl.
He COVID safe.
Okay, Earl.
Alright, it's been shrill. You stay safe out here. You stay up.
Earl.
You stay up. And you don't let none of these haters take you down, okay?
All right, Earl. It was so nice to meet you.
Earl on the beat.
Going back in the house, and we're gonna thaw out. And yeah, this was nice. Thanks for coming on our winter wonderland journey. Bye. Later.
Girl, hit my line, let me hear you talk. Give you the word, ain't no calling off. You can call me crazy, cause at least you call. Can call me crazy, cause at least you call me. Girl, hit my